Hello, I want to show you how to cook Kazakh rice or plov. So let's to start. Use any vegetable oil. Once be hot, we fried sweet pepper with carrots till become yellow. After we cut that onion, also include and fry it till color change to yellow, because this color is give to change color of rice, it's become yellow. After once be ready, we include clean and washed cutted meat. I use it sheep meat and also well mix it. We fry it well turned, and with big tablespoon we take salt more than half of spoon and include also, and the mixing well, and make fire silent, close cup, and we leave it around 40-50 minutes. We not include water. When meat is be ready, we include rice and mix it. Also any spices as you prefer, as you like. Also mixing, and put full of not cleaned, not removed skin, I mean garlic, and put in middle, and include water. It must be thin closed. So close cup and let him cook it 15-20 minutes. And so our rice is ready. I hope you can to try it, also will be good. Bon appetit.